Okay, this is 3D mapping with a smart level. Get our initial point. We started with 0. Actually, I'm going to take a photo of this also so we'll know exactly where it is. Take a couple of photos here. Now we're going to move straight down the front. You want to hold the monopod and everything even as you walk. We're going to right here. We'll let everything settle out just a bit. And we're going to take a photo of that. Now we're going to continue to walk straight up the edge of the driveway. We're going to mark our point here with a photo. Mark another point. Go to the edge of the shrub. Another point. Down to the fence. I'm going to close it up. Now we're going to move into the center, get a couple of readings. And we're going to save it. I'm going to create a folder with the property name. This one's going to be Matt's. And then we're going to save individual plots within that folder. This is just test 1. Email the data. We simply tag the paper airplane is what I call it here. We've got all of the photos that I took. We've got the measurement file, the CSV file, which will be loaded into our UVision program, and the DXF file for all other CAD programs.